So general math students, in this video, instead of working with kilometres, we're working with nautical miles. The formulae for nautical miles are really simple. There they are there. Okay, we just, to get the distance on a line of longitude, we just multiply the angular separation by 60. And really simple also for latitude, but we factor in the changing radius of the circles for different latitudes by putting that cosine of the latitude in as well. The definition of a nautical mile is if you subtend 1 minute of angle at the centre of the Earth, you will trace out a distance of 1 nautical mile on the Earth's surface. So that's what leads to these really simple formulae. Let's get into a couple of examples. So in this first one, we're travelling southwards. So we're on a line of longitude. We're going to use that first formula. Distance equals 60 times theta. So A is 20 degrees to the north, B is 35 degrees south. So one being north, one being south, we'll add them up to get theta. Okay, and then we just multiply that by 60. Easy. Now this next question, you might want to pause and give it a go on your own. I'll give you a clue. It's on a line of latitude, so we're going to need to use the slightly longer version with the cosine of alpha in it. Like that. There's also a question here about how long it takes, so you've got to think speed, distance, time. Okay, you can pause and have a go, then I'll try it. Righto, so this is what we do. First off, alpha is the latitude of the places, so our alpha is 20 degrees. Now, angular separation is a little tricky because we want this angle here that I've just marked out in blue. So we're going to need to subtract these angles here from 360 this time, which is a little different to what we've seen previously. Okay, so to get our angular separation, we subtract those two angles from 360. That's a bit messy looking. Let me try that again. So our theta value is 112 degrees. So our distance, 60 times the cosine of 20 times 112, which gives 6,314.7 nautical miles. Now they've asked us how long this takes. Well, time is equal to distance over speed. So we take that distance and divide it by the speed, which is given in nautical miles per hour, knots, 450, which gives us 14 hours, 2 minutes. Now I've gone straight to hours and minutes here by DMSing on the calculator earlier, so I'll show you that screen with all the working out I did so that you can see how it was done. So with nautical miles and knots, quite a bit simpler in many respects than working it out in kilometres. Have a look at the description for the video for the questions you should try for this.